Hello there, welcome back to Financial Accounting Grade 6. In this video, I would want to look at the question from the question paper of November 2022. And this is question 1, on the second part of that question 1. So our first question is 1.2.1. It reads, name the GAAP principle that is known as the underlying assumption about a reporting entity. And you know that the GAAP principle that applies here is the going concept. And that going concept itself explains that a business is going to operate for the foreseeable future period of at least 12 months. So this principle outlines that the business is not but whatsoever going to stop operating in the near future. So we have got 1.2.1 where we have the going concern as our response. So we can just come here and say 1.2.1 and what going concern. So this is what we have for the first part. The second part of the question is write IASB in full and name a guideline that this organization publishes. So 1.2.2 with 1.2.2 and IASB it refers to international accounting standard boards. So you can just say international accounting standard board. So on the second part of the question, we will just try to repair back and see. It says name a guideline that this organization publishes. Remember, the guideline that it publishes is the conceptual framework of reporting, conceptual framework of financial reporting. So on the second part, we are saying is conceptual framework financial reporting. So this is what we have on the second part of that question. And then we can just try to move on and see what we have in the next question. Next question saying identify the components used to evaluate the financial performance of the company or close correlation. So you see that the components that we use to evaluate the financial performance of the company or a close correlation, we have income and expenses. So on the next part, which is 1.2.3, we are saying income and expenses. So this is what we have. Then we can move on to the next question, which is 1.2.4. And it reads, name and explain two complete and accurate qualitative characteristics useful financial reports. So you see that we've got various qualitative characteristics that we have, but in the context of this question, we're just going to list two. So we go to 1.2.4. In 1.2.4, we have got the comparability characteristics. So the first one, we can just say comparability. And obviously, you are supposed just to briefly explain on comparability. But basically, comparability is when we know that financial statements are prepared according to the same principles, same rules, or same international financial reporting standards. So on comparability, we are saying we want to make sure that our financial statements can be easily be compared to financial statements of other businesses. So we can be able to compare financial statements of one business to the other due to the fact that they are being prepared on the same principles or the same rules. So this is the expansion that we have for comparability. So you can just expand on the video onwards in terms of that explanation. So on the second part, I would also have another qualitative characteristic being understandability. Understandability, we are saying users of the financial statements must be able to understand the context of those financial statements. They should be not vague or difficult to understand. So that's what understandability refers to. So you can also as well try to explain understandability in one ways to try to simplify it so that the marker understands what the explanation are giving. So remember, we've got other quantitative characteristics that you can also include here. But according to this video, we are just able to raise these two according to what the question requires us to do. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Those who may subscribe, please subscribe and share. We are still coming with more videos. Yes, for this video, I'm signing out. We meet again.